Nearly 50% of Americans live with diabetes, obesity, hypertension, or another major cardiovascular risk, according to the CDC. For many Americans, the first sign of coronary heart disease is a heart attack. A recent announcement by Diagnostics details a bright future for the company's AI-driven molecular heart disease tests, which evaluate objective epigenetic and genetic biomarkers in patients suspected to be at risk or who may have coronary heart disease. After securing an innovation technology contract with Vizient, the nation's largest provider-driven healthcare performance improvement company, Diagnostics will have access to a potential customer base that encompasses greater than 60% of hospitals and 97% of academic medical centers in the United States. On the flip side, Vizient provider customers will have access to Diagnostics' state-of-the-art tests at negotiated pricing, therefore increasing access to the next generation of cardiovascular disease detection technology. The contract, effective November 1st, signifies to Vizient hospital and health system customers to a shift towards unique technology that has the potential to bring improvement and cost savings to the healthcare industry. Vizient's diverse customer base includes academic medical centers, pediatric facilities, community hospitals, integrated healthcare delivery networks, and non-acute healthcare providers. The company represents more than $130 billion in annual purchasing volume. Through its innovative technology program, Vizient works with customer-led councils and task force to review potential innovative products. The new contract with Diagnostics demonstrates Vizient's confidence in the company's Epigen CHD and Precision CHD tests, which utilize proprietary laboratory assays and AI-driven algorithms to analyze objective epigenetic and genetic biomarkers from a patient's blood sample. Based in part on the new contract with Vizient and what it believes to be increasing interest in its own epigenetic tests, Diagnostics is preparing to fulfill demand while keeping costs down through the launch of the new facility. Last month, Diagnostics announced the launch of a new integrated facility in Iowa City, Iowa that will house a research laboratory, high-complexity clinical laboratory improvements amendments laboratory, and fulfillment center. The new hub will work as the epicenter for distributing sample collection kits to clients and performing all laboratory research and commercial testing. With a modular setup, the high-complexity CLIA laboratory will enable Diagnostics to process up to 10,000 tests per month while reducing laboratory processing costs by up to 60%. Those fees currently account for the largest portion of the cost of goods sold. Diagnostics reports that performing kitting and fulfillment of sample collection kits internally further reduces its cost by up to 56%. By integrating operations in-house, Diagnostics expects to meaningfully improve its gross profit margin while continuing to explore opportunities to further scale capacity and drive down costs. In addition to its pioneering Epigen CHD and Precision CHD tests, Diagnostics is expanding its diagnostic portfolio by developing tests for stroke, diabetes, and heart failure at this new facility. This horizontal integration approach broadens the company's market reach, catering to a more comprehensive range of cardiovascular diseases across the care continuum. By accelerating the development of its product portfolio, Diagnostics not only enhances its market positioning, but also aligns with the trend towards comprehensive, multifaceted diagnostic solutions in healthcare. Initial operations at this facility are fully expected to commence in Q4 of 2023, with full operations anticipated in Q1 of 2024. Dr. Robert Philibert, who is the Diagnostics Chief Medical Officer, said, "Establishing an internal high-complexity CLIA lab will facilitate the development of a testing process that can be completed in under 4 hours." He continued on to say, "This timeframe fits well with our vision of our heart disease diagnostics test, which will eventually be offered as essential points of care tests with same-day turnaround in almost all medical markets." With the Vizient contract in place, demand for Diagnostics tests will soon be higher than ever before. The launch of Diagnostics Operational Hub will increase distribution and sample processing capabilities, which will help the company fulfill demand while fostering continued innovation and setting new standards to improve patient outcomes globally through low-cost precision cardiovascular diagnostics. This progress will assist in furthering detection for the many individuals at risk for and impacted by cardiovascular disease.